And the red flag is up. Everyone should be moving up to the start line. And they have pulled the black flag up.
Looks like lane number 8. John Paul College over the start line. Back it up, girls, back it up. Can be quite difficult to maintain a straight line when it is windy, especially while waiting. And there we go, a white, green and a black flag up. However, out there in lane 6 and 8 with a great start, as well as lane 4 on the inside. Te wharekura o Kirikiriroa, te kura kaupapa Māori o te rito, as well as John Paul College, all up the front. Quite tight between the 3 Waka. There is also 3 Waka behind them fighting for that. What should I say? But it does look like out there in lane 4. Te wharekura o Kirikiriroa Parekirangi.
They are going at it.
Bringing the rate up as they come to the closer to the finish. Heading into their finish now with lane 6 out there.
But it might be a bit of a fight for second place. Ooh.
Who do you think that was, Harvey?
I would have to say lane 9. Just got them.
John Paul College. However, here we have our winners for our race number 149. Under 19 girls W6 250 metre, te K semi 1 of 3. Te wharekura o Kirikiriroa Parekirangi. Here we have our replay. Couple of Waka not quite straight down their lane. However, despite that, great start out there, lanes 4, 6 and 8. Lane 4 just opened up that gap. Oh, tight finish. Lane 8 out there, John Paul College just managed to get that second place.
Here's our winners coming in.